Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. With school back in session, let's make our dolls Yan Yan biscuit treats to eat at lunchtime. Yan Yan is a Japanese snack food comprising of cracker sticks that you dip in either vanilla, strawberry, or chocolate frosting cream. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! First, you'll need a truncated cone template. A link for this one from Pinterest will be in the description box. We resized our cone to be 5 cm high and gave our lid a 2.5 cm diameter. The Yan Yan lid and other graphic images were found in a quick Google search. We want to get 2 pieces from our cone template. Measure 8.5 cm from one curved end and mark the division. Cut apart. Glue both pieces to a scrap of white poster board, then cut out again. Take the larger piece and put glue along one side. Curl the paper into a cone, checking that the top, wider opening is the same size as your Yan Yan lid. Next, take your smaller piece and fold 0.5 cm tabs at each end. Curl it over a pen or marker to make a semi-cone shape. Put glue on both tabs, then insert into your cone, making 2 compartments. It helps to use the smooth end of a paintbrush to press the paper flat at the bottom end of the cone. This ensures our biscuit sticks will fit in later. Apply more glue to the base of the cone, then attach to a double layer of scrap white poster board. Once dry, cut away the excess poster board. Now it's time to paint. We searched our stash for a bright red colour that matched the label. Red is the dominant colour seen for the chocolate flavour, pink for the strawberry, and blue for the vanilla packaging. Cover the back seam with the nutritional facts information. Turn the cone around and adhere the Meiji logo and Yan Yan main image. It took a bit of time to fussy cut the mascot picture, but it does add a lot of realism to the packaging. For the frosting, you can use puffy paint or paint cotton balls like we did in our Halloween milkshake video, but today we chose caulking. Fill the smaller compartment with caulking, smoothing it flat with a popsicle stick. Once dry, paint to match your desired frosting cream flavour. Reeves Burnt Sienna mimics a lovely milk chocolate colour. For the biscuit sticks, cut a barbecue skewer into 4.5 cm long segments. This way they will fit inside our Yan Yan packaging. Take a nail file and smooth the tips round at both ends. Make lots and lots of sticks to fill your packet. Take a few sticks and dip one end into the caulking. Once it has dried, paint the same chocolate colour. Pop your plain and frosting dipped sticks into the larger compartment. Lastly, glue on the lid. If you prefer to see what's inside, curl the paper back and only partially glue to the cone. Now you know how to make doll-sized Yan Yan snacks. Make them in all the flavours. We guarantee your dolls will love this addition to their lunchbox. Don't forget to hit that like button and turn on the bell to get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!